What is avocado fruit good for? 7 health benefits of avocados. Avocados also provide nutrients that are essential for the health of the immune system, including vitamin C, B6, and E. Half of an avocado provides 15% of your daily needs for B6, a nutrient that plays many key roles in the body including heart health, cancer prevention, and cognitive function. Is avocado high in sugar? According to the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA), 1 cup of avocado cubes weighing 150 grams (g) contains 12.79 g of carbohydrates, less than 1 g of sugar, 10.1 g of fiber. Can I eat avocados every day? They contain an array of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber that may improve your gut health, lower your risk of developing heart disease, promote a healthy weight, and enhance your brain function. Eating avocado daily is the perfect addition to a well-balanced, nutrient-dense diet. Is avocado healthy? Besides unsaturated fats, avocado is high in fiber and vitamins C, E, and K. 1 7-ounce, 201-gram avocado provides 41% of the daily value (DV) of folate, which helps produce healthy red blood cells. It also provides 14% of the DV of magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and blood pressure. Please subscribe, support, and follow the AK1323 channel.